Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.Tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. This tutorial has the goal to talk about working out the errors and code intelligence. So any programmer, doesn't matter, either with experience or not, they can do errors. We are humans and we do mistakes regarding to programming. We can do errors and mistakes regardless of our level in a programming. So I'm going to copy and paste these statements a few times, and I'm going to do intentional a few errors. So for example, here I'm going to remove these double quotes. I'm going to intend this line. Here, let's remove the I letter from the print function. And here, let's remove this plus operator. Let's hit the run button. As you can see here, at least in the Replit, it's listed just the first error. We don't have the list of all the errors. Yeah, we have just the first error, and it's very important to be able to read it. And as you can see, the error is on the line 1, so that means it is about this statement. And we have the statement as well written here inside this error explanation. After, it's very important to know the type of the error. So the type of the error is a syntax error. And write further the explanation. And this is the error which is regarding to syntax error. This abbreviation EOL, which means end of line. So it's quite easy to figure out where is the error, yeah? If you go through all this explanation on the right side where the error is listed, yeah? So you go to the end of the line and you can see it's missing a double quotes. And you are going to add the double quotes. Let's hit again the run button. And now we have the next error. So as you can see, it's not listed all the errors in once. It's listing the errors one after another one, each error, yeah, on turn. And here the error is on line 2, as you can see. It is about this statement. The statement is listed also in the error explanation, and after we go to read the type of the error. This time the type of the error is indentation error. Unexpected indent is the explanation. So that means Python doesn't accept indentation. So this is very important. So be careful when you write the statements because Python doesn't accept indentation. To remove this error, we just go here in front of the statement and we move back the statement. And the error will disappear. But we still have errors listed there because we still have errors. Now the error is on line 3. Yeah, this is the statement, and the type is name error. Name P, R, and T is not defined, so it's quite easy to work out. It is about missing I letter inside this function. Yeah, hit again the run button, and now all the errors are removed. Here actually we didn't have an error, yeah, because actually we have double quotes further here and it's not considered an error. Actually I have to remove all these double quotes, and if I hit again the run button in this way we have an error. So this is the last error, line 4. Yeah, so here we have the error on this code of line. Type of error, syntax error. Yeah, invalid syntax. So we just go here inside and we review this line of code, and we can realize here is missing a double quote. And hit again the run button. and all the errors was removed. But it's quite a lot of work to do, isn't it? To go one by one and fix the errors as you have seen. At least this is my opinion. We have a better method to work out the errors and to fix the errors. If you work with Replit, you go here on settings, and Replit has a very good setting here, a very good tool, this code intelligence. Now is disabled. Enable this code intelligence, yeah, and let's remove here the double quotes. Let's make here an indentation. Here let's remove the I letter. Let's remove here the double quote. So again, I made a few international errors. Let's run this code again. As you can see, again, it's listed the first error, but what is important now, after I enable the code intelligence, the things are different. As you can see here, appeared this red little triangle. If I hover it or I give a click on it, now I have exactly the place of the error and the explanation of the error. So is this EOL? So I can figure out very quick that here is the error, the end of this line. I'm going to add the double quotes. Also, as you can see, the highlighted color is changed. And here, as you can see, it's this red line. If I hover, will appear the explanation of the error, unexpected intent. So I go here in the front, and I move back this statement. Yeah, and the error disappeared. On this line, you can work out very easy the error, because we have underline this string here, and appear this text, this explanation, invalid syntax. That means here somewhere is missing something. It's quite easy to work out is missing a double quotes. So let's add it. Okay, now here this this statement is underlined, yeah, with this red line. As you can see, if I hover the print function, we have the explanation of the error and the file name PRNT. So it's obviously here is the error. So the I letter is missing, is very obviously. Let's edit, and now the error disappeared. So let's hit again the run button, and here you go. And this all these errors were fixed. Now the code work properly. So I think this code intelligence, enabling this code intelligence, will help you to work out and to identify the errors quicker. It is a more efficient way to fix your errors. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.